Son, I think I'm getting old. I don't know how long I can stay like this.
Dad, I'm here. I won't let anything happen to you, I promise. Let's go, Dad. Come with me. I will take you somewhere where you will feel so good.
Come on, Dad. Step by step. We're almost there. This place will make you feel better. I know it.
Don't worry, Dad. They're here to help you. You're safe now.
Finally, Dad, you're okay. Thank you, Open Box McCloud.
Open Box McCloud Trail. Every device gets a new life.